trying the light and things right above me. So here's the flash. Oh yeah, no, I don't see it. Flash is on, now it's off. That is a regular plane, but it's military. But there is other stuff moving around, and it's trying to take my attention off. This over here. You guys hear that? Listen. There are other things over here too that are moving. I can barely see. The flash is on, but I can't capture it. Can't get it. It's a small light that's just, it's red. It's moving down, but it has like a red and a couple like different glows to it. I can't really describe it. It's freaking crazy looking. And there's military over here. These you can see though. And I'm trying to flash. Oh, a drone. Look at this thing, guys. And you guys gonna tell me nothing crazy's happening? That's a regular plane, unmanned though. Well, what the fuck is that? That's unmanned. It's moving too fast. It's messing with my camera too, guys. It's moving real fast. Oh, damn, there's like lights over here. Look at this thing. Flash is off, flash is on. Look at this thing dropping. Do you guys see this thing or not? Like, I can't really see it. It's falling down. But I can't get it in the video. It's like dropping downwards. Here, I'm gonna pan out. Flash is on. Damn, there's a car coming.